let's see how to use styles in Bubble. So far, when we wanted to edit the text font, such as changing the color or making it bold or changing the font, we were going in the property editor and we were changing it by hand. The problem is that it only changes this text box, but for bigger apps or websites, usually you want it to be cohesive and you are going to use styles to make sure that all your titles use the same font, all your subtitles use the same style, etc. So in order to do so, you are going to use styles. Let's transform this text in a style. You just need to click on it and to go in Style, and at the bottom you click on Create a new style, and let's call it like H1 title implement, and that's it. So it is now a style and I can use it on other text. For example, if I want this to use the same style, I just click on it and select H1 title implement, and it now uses this style. Now to go further, maybe I'd like to edit the style I just created and to make sure it will appear everywhere on my app. So to do so, I just click here on Edit Style and I will be brought to the Styles tab. And here I see that I'm on the H1 title implement. I have a preview and I can really edit my style here. So let's say I want to be black now. I want it to be maybe a little bit bigger, and yeah, that's it. And so this is for a style. The style, there are really a lot of options, and something interesting here also is that you can define the HTML tag for this element SEO wise. So here this is an H1. We were already put it in the title, but here it will really put an HTML tag in your app, so Google knows that this is the H1 title. Let's go back to our design page, and you can see that it has automatically updated the style of all the elements which use this style. So yeah, that's it for styles. This is super useful. Whenever you don't want to use a style anymore, you can just remove style and only edit one element. But I really recommend you to use styles for all your elements. Note that buttons and like everything also has a style, so you can really define styles for all your elements and it will make your life much easier.